Hello students, we are studying ratio. In last video we solved two questions of your exercise. Today we are going to solve exercise 7a, question number 8, question number 9 and question number 13. Okay, so question number 8 is, if A ratio B is equal to 5 ratio 6 and B ratio C 8 ratio 9, find AC. Here A ratio B is equal to 5 ratio 6 and B ratio C is given 8 ratio 9. Okay, so we can write it A ratio B, A divided by B 5 by 6 and B ratio C is equal to 8 by 9. Okay, these are the two ratios given. So look here B belongs to 6 and B belongs to 8. To calculate ratio between A, B and C, we have to make B equal. Okay, so we have to make B equal. Here B is 6, B is given 6 and here B is given 8. So we have to make these B equal. So we have to take LCM. LCM of 6 and 8. What is the LCM of 6 and 8 is? That is 24. Okay, so we have to make the denom B as 24 in both ratios. Okay, so A divided by B is given 5 ratio 6. We have to make this B 24. We have to multiply it with 4. It comes 20 by 24. And BC is 8 by 9. This is the B. We have to make it 24. We have to multiply with 3. So it comes 8 3 are 24 and 9 3 are 27. So here A ratio B is 20 ratio 24 and here B ratio C is 24 ratio 27. Now here B value of B is 24, here same. So we can write it A is 20, B is 24 and B is 24 and C is 27. So A is 20, therefore A ratio B ratio C come 20 ratio 24 ratio 27. Now we have to calculate the ratio between A and C. So A ratio C is equal to A is 20 and C is 27. 20 ratio 27. Okay, this is the ratio between A and C. Now we will solve next question, that is A ratio B. This is the same question. We have to calculate A ratio B ratio C ratio. Okay, so let us start. Question number 9. Question number 9. A ratio B is given 3 ratio 4 and what given? B ratio C is given 6 ratio 7. So we can write it A by B. It is 3 ratio 4. 3 by 4 B divided by C, that is 6 divided by 7. Okay, so we have to make here also B is same. So B here is 4, here 6. We have to take the LCM of 6 and 4. LCM of 6 and 4, it is 12. Okay, so make the B 12 in both ratio. A divided by B is 3 by 4. Multiply with 4. 3 multiply with 3. That is 9, 12 and B by C 6, 7 we have to multiply with 6 with it 2 by 2, it comes 12 by 14. So here A is 9, B is 12, here B is 12 and C is 14. So A ratio, B ratio, C comes 9 ratio 12 ratio 14. Okay. So this is the answer of second question number 9. Okay. Now we will solve question number 13. Question number 30 is very important. Divide rupee 250 into 3 parts. We have to divide rupee 215 into 3 parts. 3 parts. Let the first part A, B and C. We have to divide rupee 250 in 3 parts A, B, C. Okay, such that first one is 2/5 of second. First one is 2/5 of second. Okay, 2/5 of first one is 2/5 of second. Okay, so what is the second? And also given the ratio between second and third is 4:3, and also given ratio between second and third 4:3. So we have to consider first that is B. Let second part B is 4:3. Let 4x, and third part C, that is 3x. And what is the first is given, and therefore first part will be 2/5 of second. What is the second? Second is 4x. So right here 4x. Calculate it, 8x by 5. Okay. Now we have to consider. Now we have to calculate what is the actual first part, second part, third part. Okay, here. So we know that we have to divide what money? 215. 215. So sum of these 3 parts will be 215. So we can write first part plus second part plus third part will be whole money, that is rupee 215. So add these all. First part is 8x by 5 plus second part is 4x and third part is 3x is equal to 215 rupee. Okay. So now take LCM. 5 LCM is 5, 8x plus 5 divided by 1 5, 5 4s are 20x, 1 divided by 5 5 3s are 15x is equal to 215. Okay. So add these all. 28 43x and this 5 goes to 215 into 43. Okay. So write the value of x will be 215 into 43 divided by 43. 43 5 is 215. Okay. So what left? 5 into 40. This is 5. Okay. 5 into 5, that is 20. 25. Okay. So the value of x is rupee 25. Therefore first part will be, first part क्या होगा आपका? That is 8 by 5 into x. X is 25. 5 5 the 25. So it comes rupee 40. Second part will be what? Second part is 4x. 4 into 25. That is rupee 100. Okay. Now third part. That is third part is 3x. 3 into 25. Rupee 75 is the third part of this question. Okay. So today we studied question number 8, question number 9, question number 13. Thank you.